Alright, my friends, back on the Delta. Free spooling Keith out with the Mark and Steve, and between the three of us throwing all kinds of different baits. We'll see. So thanks for watching. Come along for the ride. Yeah, you got to measure because we're going to have a reward.
It'll go 14.
Damn. Hey, it's a bass too. Well, that's good there after reaction.
That's not a crane?
Yeah, Steve, stop. Stop it. That's a good little fish. I threw my jig over there and I didn't get shit to go, bro. Let's see. Nice. Come closer, big boy. That's a football. Dude, that's gonna be a nice fish. I'll put Mickey Mouse face over you. That's nice. That's bigger than the other one, isn't it?
I don't. It's not fatter. It's. I think it might be longer. Though.
Nice. Nice, dude. Dude, you're having a hell of a coming out party. You came out of your winter slump, weren't you?
I just wanted to win that sticker.
Oh, yeah, because I'm sure you have none.
3 hours later.
Oh, no!
Let your spirit rise. Let your spirit rise. Let your spirit rise. Let your spirit rise.
Fish on! Stay on. Okay, this isn't the big one. I don't think this even measures, but the skunk's off the... Thank you. I just wish the father would have come. Or actually, I'd want the mom, not the father. Huh? Yeah, the girls are always the big ones. That's why he calls them the Walmart girls. Oh my god, you're cute. Thank you very much, though. I appreciate you joining the party. Fish on, fish on, fish on. Come on, stay on. Come on, stay on. Was your ride delightful? Well, that was one hell of a day.